Spirituality is first about the soul. God is second. First is soul. If they are able to raise themselves to the highest vibration without connecting to God, that's perfect. That's power. See, it's more about us who go there. We have to understand they are a teacher who are teaching you something. Take the teaching. But to remember that they are also on a journey. They are also on the journey. It's like if I go into a college, I may be in the first year and somebody may be in the fourth year. So that fourth year will be able to teach me a lot. But I need to understand and remember that that person is also in the fourth year only. What happens is we idolize them and we place them on a very high pedestal.
You said that people of all religions come to you and all. What happens if a Nastic comes to you, doesn't believe in God? And how do you teach spiritualism, and how do you teach good way of life without that?
Spirituality is first about the soul. God is second. First is soul. So I am a soul, I am energy, the creator of every thought and feeling and emotion. That much everybody understands. Everyone. Second thing, my original nature of every soul is purity, peace, love, power, happiness, wisdom and bliss. Sato Guni Atma. Every soul on this planet is a Sato Guni Atma, which means it's made of 7 qualities. Now just start meditating on those 7 qualities.
But there is a Nirakar God that you talk about.
Yes, so if they don't want to connect there, but they can at least start working on themselves.
Okay. So they don't need to connect with all that you say will help in this.
Everybody doesn't need to connect. Now, everybody's choice. Again, I'm telling you, it's like a doctor.
Huh.
You tell them everything. Now, it's for them to take what they want to take out of that.
So when people come to you and they say that when they're coming and you're speaking and they say, हम नहीं विश्वास करते हैं भगवान में, do you think that their life is any lesser or their soul is less impacted?
No, not at all. If they are able to raise themselves to the highest vibration without connecting to God, that's perfect. That's power.
What do you have to say about the various sects and the cults which are there? Some Baba or some Guru. There are also, and everywhere in the world there
Yes,
are,
of course.
right? There is a kind of like those who go to them, the devotees, start believing in the person rather than the teaching, which you spoke earlier, because it's probably the easier thing to do. That कि भगवान है, तो हर चीज़ में बाबा के पास चले जाओ. मेरा बेटा इससे शादी करना चाहता है, ये सही है कि नहीं, आप बताइए. मैं रात को सो नहीं सकता, ये पत्थर रखिए, सो जाइए. What do you say about those babas?
See, it's more about us who go there. We have to understand they are a teacher who are teaching you something. Take the teaching. But to remember that they are also on a journey. They are also on the journey. It's like if I go into a college, I may be in the first year and somebody may be in the fourth year. So that fourth year will be able to teach me a lot. But I need to understand and remember that that person is also in the fourth year only. What happens is we idolize them and we place them on a very high pedestal. We actually start looking at them as God. And then suddenly we see one fault. And we're like, ये ऐसे कैसे कर सकते हैं? But you placed them there. They and we are all souls, human beings. We're all on the journey. It's like your white sari, my white sari, both were stained. Probably I just started washing a few years before you. So I've just learned how to wash, and I'm showing you also that, you know what, you could also wash like this. But I should also not claim that, you know what, I'm stain free. Never. I was once at an airport, and there was a big group, and there was one senior Guruji on the airport. And there was this young boy who comes up to me. He said, मैं आपके साथ photo खींचूं, आज मेरा birthday है. I said, yeah, good, come. And then I said, आज आपका birthday है. What did you decide today for your birthday? And he said, I just created a thought that I should always be with my Guruji. So I didn't even pause to think. It was just my natural thing. I said, don't you think you should have created a thought that I always absorb and inculcate what my Guruji has taught? He was not happy with what I said, and he moved away. After half an hour, he came back again, and he said, why did I not think like that? Because somewhere that conditioning only becomes that you want to be around that person, and it is that person who is doing everything in your life. That's not spirituality.
But there is a lot of pressure, no? जो जैसे किसी के you go to, suppose I go to a satsang by some Guruji. Now, the others around will tell you the miracles that Guruji has done, right? Male, female, whichever religion जो भी है. But the point is ये देखो कितने बढ़िया, and then you have to go there, you have to do this. ये pressure होता है बहुत.
See, first of all, spirituality means not miracles outside. Not miracles outside. Here. यहाँ का miracle कोई और नहीं कर सकता आपके लिए. Go to someone and say मुझे सारा दिन के मन की शांति दे दो आज के लिए. Can anybody give that to you?
No.
No. So that we have to create it on our own. Somebody can teach you how to do it. But they are teaching learn based on their experiences. But after that, who's going to do it? We have to do it. So we have to remember, it's our power. They can teach, they can guide, but finally it's my sanskar, my karma, and my destiny. So we don't go or have anyone coming to us for any kind of magic outside. We are here for magic inside.
But I'm sure people come to you कि फलां बाबा जी ने इसका मेरे बेटे का अस्थमा ख़त्म कर दिया, आप इनका टीबी ख़त्म कर दो or whatever.
हमारे पास थोड़े दिन पहले कोई आया था, he lost a lot of money in business. तो I said आप आ जाओ मेडिटेशन सीखो. He said मेरा बिजनेस ठीक हो जाएगा. I said नहीं, कोई गारंटी नहीं. आप ठीक हो जाओगे गारंटी, और मुझे ऐसा लगता है आप ठीक हो जाओगे तो आपका नया बिजनेस अच्छा चल जाएगा. That's the equation.
Okay, that's a point.
That is the equation. हम आपका बिजनेस नहीं ठीक कर सकते, कोई भी नहीं ठीक कर सकता एक्चुअली. लेकिन आप अपने आप को ठीक कर लोगे, which means you will come out of your pain and that failure and you empower yourself. Whatever you do next, you will be successful.